Hey fellas, what's up? It's Diekin again. Just giving you another quick update as I run my X Maxx. Just wanted to let you guys know. Went over to my buddies over at Sky Hunter Hobbies. Um, Had my homie Glenn. He made some connectors for me. He made a Traxxas female to Dean's male, so I can run my Venom batteries that I standardly use my Dean's connectors on, because I also run my Castle stuff running Dean's Mamba Monster. So I got two of these soldered on here, and so I was asking some questions, and of course, I was telling you guys in my latest video about this little space right here. I was going to take those little tire foam inserts, which I got laying around here somewhere. So I'm gonna still go with that, but they suggested I use the associated foam battery spacer. So I will be using these. I'm going to cut them down a little bit. Pull this out. Got another one here. Got two of these. So I'm going to be using this little foam insert here. I'm going to cut it down a little bit, some kind of way. Maybe put a little bit of Gorilla Glue down at the bottom. So I'm sure Traxxas has something like this, but I just, this was quick on hand, Team Associated. So if you're running the smaller batteries that are non-Traxxas, that are a little bigger this way, short this way, and you're looking for something that is equivalent to this little foam insert here that Traxxas gives you, you just want to go ahead and cut this out. So these are only $1.99, as you can see. I decided to go with those. Also, when you start your car, I believe you have to press it down. This little button here is how you turn the car on, and hold it down is how you turn it off. In addition to that, the reverse on the car, throttle is full go, but in order to do the reverse, once you're in the dead stop, you have to hit this and then do this again to go in reverse. You got to double tap to go in reverse if you've been going forward. So that's just really quick. Just wanted to let you guys know that. So that is something they've added. I haven't ran the car in any other additional modes. So just remember, double tap is reverse, and forward it'll go. And remember, I'm going to be using my foam inserts, and of course the buggy foam's going in at the top. Those are going to be zip tied down here, and that should be good to go. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Hope you guys have a safe, happy New Year's, and don't party too hard. So just remember, battery foam inserts, Team Associate 9815, or just use whatever foam inserts you want to take up that additional space. All right, peace. Wow, you gotta call Traxxas for the servo. It's not even listed. So again, this is just for anybody who wanted the parts list for the X Maxx. If you wanted to have an idea, I guess a few of my buddies were right earlier. The body for the X Maxx is $100. Everything else you pretty much got to call in for, but this is your parts list.